A Thor, the god of thunder. But is not thunder just the sound of lightning?
You're not brave. Men are brave.
You're next, Odin son!
That's the sound of lightning.